I was just added to the Indo Beauty Give Your Skin a Break campaign yesterday. And today I'm going to be telling you what I did to be able to be on that campaign, because I don't give it. So it all started on Snapchat. I saw this ad on Snapchat about a beauty product called Indo, and I was like, okay. It was based for teens only, skincare, beauty, makeup. Indo does it. So I checked out their Instagram and I sent them a DM because I wanted to be part of that community. I liked a bunch of that post, bro. I have no shame. I liked a bunch of that post. I commented, I was like, oh, I would love to model for you, blah, 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 blah. So I sent them a DM. I was like, this is too far-fetched. I don't think they're ever going to send a message back. But lo and behold, the next day they sent me a message and they said, oh, we'd love you to join our community. You just have to fill out this form. So I filled out this form, my age, email, what I love about skincare, things like that. Why do I want to be part of the community? So after I filled the form, a few days later, they said I was accepted and I could join the community. In this community, there is like over 500. I don't want to say 8,000 because I'm not too sure, but I'm pretty sure it's over 500 girls and guys that are in this community. As a welcome package, they sent me a lip gloss. Lip gloss is right here. And they sent me eyeshadow. So without hesitation, I'm telling you, I filmed an unboxing video and I filmed a video. I didn't even speak in the video, just like to show the products, and I posted it and I tagged Indo in it, and they actually commented. I was like, okay, they commented on it. One thing that I always did was that I always tagged Indo in every post anytime that product is in there, and I always post the link on the community, telling people in the community to check this out, because in the community you can support each other's social media accounts. But I did not stop there. I have no shame. I actually did a photo shoot for Indo. I was like, fake it until you make it. And no, I'm not the model for them, but I will do the photo shoot regardless. So I took photos of the Indo lip gloss, ordinary lip gloss. So I took so many photos and I posted photos on my Instagram and on my TikTok. Then I tagged Indo Beauty in the post and they were like, wow, we love this. I did like a bow and sunglasses and the lip gloss because it was during summer period, the time I got the products. And I did not stop there. I did not stop there. What I also did was I did this thing called Can You Spot Indo, where I would place an Indo product in my video and I would tell people in the community to spot Indo in the video. It can either be a photo, or I can use the lip gloss as a microphone and I'll say, oh, can you spot Indo? Then I'll tag Indo admin in the actual community. All of these things I've been doing, it's not a span of a week, it's like span of like, it's been 3 months I think since I got my Indo product, and 3 months, and I still tag them in my videos. So a few weeks ago, Indo now posted a poll in the Indo Beauty community, and they said, send us a photo of you with no makeup. Everybody should send photos that want to use it for our upcoming campaign of Give Your Skin a Break. At first, I was like, there is no way I'm going to be picked. I didn't have the intention of applying or sending in my photo, but something just told me, Holy Spirit just told me that, fake me. Go and send your photo. What's the worst that could happen? So they said the deadline was on Friday and I saw the post like on Tuesday. So I sent in my photo. They said I have to use WeTransfer to send the photos. I sent in the photo. They said they did not see the photo. They said it has expired. I was like, hey, something that I sent, what do you mean it has expired? I sent it again. They did not see it. I sent it again. They did not see it. They said, this thing keeps expiring. What's going on? I was like, the devil is a liar, the devil is a liar. And the deadline has already reached. It was Friday. And I was like, I don't think they're even going to use this photo at all. That let me just give up. They now said, oh, we actually love your photo, that just send the photo normally without WeTransfer. Then I sent in the photo, and yesterday I literally saw my face at the Indo Beauty campaign. Hopefully this video makes sense. Hopefully you guys understand my accent. So that's just what I wanted to say. I'm really grateful to Indu. Thank you so much. I love you so much. So wish you guys luck in your journey. Follow for more. Bye.